need a burrito holder on this. There we go. That'll work. It's a short trip one. Let's see. There we go. Maybe we'll do that. We'll just hop on the freeway, hop off. Hop on, hop off. Alright, freeway test with the DR650 front end. About 65. And we are really just going to stay in this lane. Wow, feels stable. Yeah, we'll just pull over here. And we'll just pull over here. And behind the white truck, we'll just pull over here. And we'll go to my favorite parking lot. Cool. There we go. Don't need no stinking neutral indicator. Alright, burritos. I wonder if that'd fit in my pocket. Let's put it right there. Well, it's already leaking, yeah. Alright guys, you got the widget here. Just doing a quick little walk around. Ignore the burrito on my rear carrier. This is the KLR650 with the DR650 front end on it. DR650 already had the Cogent heavy springs, had the Cogent drop-in cartridges. And that's why I was already kind of invested in this front end, so I went ahead and used it. I still need the cable guides. I have no idea where I put them, but I know I have them. So anyway, the reason I did the switch was because I already have the Cogent drop-in cartridges. I have the Cogent heavy-duty springs. The DR front end comes with the twin piston brake caliper. Also comes with a much bigger rotor than the KLR, and it comes with much thicker forks. These are 43 millimeters, and the KLR comes with 38s. The KLR also only has a single piston front brake caliper, and the other benefit is the DR650 has a 1.85 front rim compared to the 1.60. Let me save my burrito here. Compared to the 1.60 front rim that's on the KLR. So I'm able to run these 325 by 21 front tires. They lay out nice and wide on the rim, but yeah, it looks factory, it works factory. And how I did this was I had a machine shop put the KLR steering stem into the DR650 triple clamps, and that allows me to run my old headlight mounts, my DR650 headlight, and the DR650 shroud. Eventually I'll put the KLR nose back on it, but for right now I'm able to ride it like this. I also need to make a bracket for the KLR650 dash. An interesting note is the KLR650 ignition switch bolted right into the DR650 housing. I just had to increase the bolt size from 6mm on the KLR to the 8mm on the DR. See, I need that cable guide. So that right now I'm just running the my old DR650 Speedo. I would like to get the original dash back on, so I'll have to come up with brackets. The other cool thing is, by running the DR front end, is DRs come with rubber mounted handlebars where KLRs do not. So that's another plus. And yeah, everything works good. The front brakes are killer now, way better. Night and day difference. And Yeah, I'm just thrilled with it. So, you know, in the upcoming weeks, I'll get the instrument figured out, instrumentation, I guess, and then get everything finalized on it. For right now, I'm just going to run it with the DR nose on it just because it's kind of cool, and that's where I'm at right now. I haven't been riding or anything. This is one of the first days I've gone out, and I thought, well, I'll go out for a couple tacos before work and get a ride on the old KLR. So it fired right up, and yeah, it's running good. I need to get the front signals on. Like I say, I still have some things to do to it, but it's 80% done, ready to go. The hardest part's done. I do have some new head bearings to put in because, unbeknownst to me, there was some pretty good corrosion up in the head bearings, especially the lower. So I'm going to have to pull it apart and then put the new head bearings I got. So, and that'll, I never even knew that was, because I mean, it handled good. It didn't feel notchy. Still doesn't feel notchy, but they're not correct. So, or they're not good. So, anyway, I'm going to take my little burrito. I'm going to head for the barn. Look at that, huh? And I wonder if I could just look at that, huh? We got the burrito action going there. Very cool. So anyway, guys, happy holidays. I'm sure I'll get another video out, but I just wanted to say howdy and let you know I'm still alive a little bit. So yeah, doing good. Can't really complain. Beautiful day here, man. So you guys take care. For Widget, over and out. Bye bye.